This is the brand new Porsche 992 GT3. I'm Darren, and welcome to All Access Vlog. The Porsche 992 GT3 transcends the boundaries of a sports car, engineered for the racetrack, yet unleashed for exhilaration on every road. This pre-owned GT3 underwent our vehicle protection program, consisting of our signature detailing, a custom installation of ClearGuard Alpha paint protection film, and our flagship high-performance tint Spectra PhotoSync IRD. We began with our most popular 100 man-hour signature detailing program. Designed to cater to varying degrees of complexities depending on the condition of each vehicle, this program seeks to address a myriad of existing imperfections and defects with the aim of a complete showroom display transformation. This particular unit came with the launch Shark Blue paintwork. A multi-stage paintwork correction and refinement process elevates the finish, achieving maximum depth and clarity. As with all of our programs, preservation is a key objective. With that in mind, a detailing program starting with the least abrasive approach with medium and heavier abrasives used only to address the problem areas. Whilst the paintwork is being detailed by a team of specialists, a second team of detailers began on the coachwork. A combination of dry ice blasting, which uses -78-degree dry ice pellets to subject the contaminants that were previously bonded to the coachwork components to thermal, impact, and expansion shock, paired with steam cleaning and manual detailing work, ensures that the vehicle looks absolutely perfect. Once the exterior sections of the car is completed, a hybrid ceramic coating system is applied and cured via infrared lamps in sequential layers, building additional layers of gloss and brilliance. This hybrid ceramic coating serves as a pre-layer before the PPF system is installed. The 2021-inch 911 GT3 wheels in satin black with Shark Blue rim borders were also detailed and treated with our hybrid ceramic coating system to resist brake dust and road contamination, allowing for ease of wash. The interior with extended leather and race tech combination in black with contrasting sharp blue then undergoes dry steam cleaning to prepare the surface, and a complete 5-stage leather feed system is applied to moisturize and protect the finish inside. The other interior components are then treated with a UV protection system against tropical weather conditions. Next in place was a custom installation of ClearGuard Alpha, the world's most advanced paint protection film system. With its carbon-based plasma healing system, ClearGuard Alpha can heal fine swirls and scratches at ambient temperatures without the need for a heat gun or hot water. ClearGuard Alpha provides up to 400% more protection to your paintwork than the original factory clear coat, keeping your car looking its best for years to come. With our much desired custom installation, this 992 GT3 has a virtually seamless finish with no exposed edges, all the protection with an original factory look. This car was completed with Spectra PhotoSync IRD high performance tint, the world's leading heat rejection tint with up to 81% TSER, extraordinary clarity, and a limited lifetime warranty against performance degradation. Experience a new level of comfort, additional safety with perfect visibility, and a range of VLT options from bright interiors to complete privacy. Made in the USA. If you've just picked up a brand new car and need some special attention, give us a call. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Till next time, goodbye.